going on, guys? I'm gonna try to make this quick. First, I don't have affiliate links, I don't have sponsors, and I don't have Patreons asking you for money. This video is to demonstrate the Commarker Omni X. Got some friends of mine. We all are into CNC, 3D printing, lasers, and all that good stuff. They're current and former military people I worked with and grew up with in my career before I retired. So if you're not a part of that group and my video helps you, if you're looking at it, you don't need to like or subscribe. I don't make a lot of videos for anyone to notice, so don't worry about all that stuff. Anything I talk about in my shed is mine. I pay for it, and it's my opinion. So here I go. I upgraded the Jimitsu 4040 Pro to the 660 Max. Works good. Glad I upgraded it. Got more space to cut. The only thing I did was create these louvers, to help with dust. And I mean, it's not an alt mill, but it gets the job done. Can't complain. Excuse the camera. Oh, and excuse the mess, because I got a lot of stuff and I haven't finished cleaning up this place. Commarker B4. This is new. Price was right, so I was happy with it. Done some coins for some soldiers. It gets the job done. Sorry, I'm moving real fast, so I don't want to make this too long. Monport Onyx 55 watt. I did some acrylic so far. Did some wood and stuff like that. Good machine, but it's discontinued now. I wish Monport would have announced that on their website before they sold it. I mean, I'm gonna still get the warranty and everything out of it, as long as it's within warranty, so no real complaint there. But I would have been more inclined to buy the Rio or something like that, or the other big one they got. The Omni K40, that one came here first before the Onyx. Good machine, still works. Omni, I trust their customer service and their standards, because this had to have certain standards to come here in the United States. So I trusted that, and it worked great, no issues. We got this Sobo 08 Tinker Toy, as far as I'm concerned. Good machine, not bad. I mean, Tinker Toy. I'm waiting for Montech to finish up their index line so I can transform that to a tool changer. Excuse the camera. K2 Plus, I bought the whole combo, got it over with. Mainly I wanted the size. It does great. What little color I did on this, did great. Had a couple clogs here and there, but you're going to get that on FDMs anyway. So nothing major to complain about. Does great. You already seen these. I'm going to get a new M3 Max. I got the Elegoo over there. I got another Elegoo on the way. I wanted to know if this was a good investment. I mentioned it before. The solar shed was a good investment. It really is. Everything in the shed runs on this system except for the air conditioner. And oh, it's starting to rain. And when the lights go out, a low power outage, I got something to plug into. I've ran my fridge for at least 3 hours. So, works great. No complaints. So, if y'all looking to do that, I say go for it. Go for it. Why not? On Amazon, they have all-in-one batteries that you can hook up into a system like this, and that's what I'm going to upgrade to. And I hear they work good. So, here's your Omni, the Omni X. It does what it says it's supposed to do. I've tested all the sample stuff they send. But y'all wanted to know about the crystals, and I'm gonna tell you, the crystal thing is a gimmick, in my opinion. I was gonna get the Omni one because I seen it demonstrated at you know whose house, and because most of the stuff I want to do is engrave on glass and all that, and the Omni one could do it. It could do subsurface too. That's been demonstrated. But right now, the biggest thing that everybody's hearing about is these crystals. One, these crystals are hard to get because I guess they're being sold out everywhere, and not all the crystals have good quality. And since Commarker is so slow at getting me some crystals, I had to rely on Amazon. And to let you see what I'm talking about is, as you can see, it didn't go so well for this one. And I've had quite a few of these that didn't go well. So now that one's a test crystal. So to me it's a gimmick, and supplies are right now low. But the thing that bothered me about this machine was the assembly. Low tolerance on the screws, and the thing that irked me, even though it's small, these handles. This is a 3D printed handle. I made that handle for this machine. Because Commarker doesn't have a solution for the different size holes that this came with. And what I'm trying to say is, the holes on this is too small for the supplied handles, and both sides are different sizes. This side is smaller than the other side. So I had to make handles to fit this machine. So day one, I had to fix my own machine. So, do I regret it? No, because I'm getting what I want out of this machine. I'm just not happy that I had to fix my own machine. So the wow factor disappeared when I started putting this thing together. The quality assurance did not do their job properly. I'm not saying the other machines that they're selling now, they didn't rectify the problem, but the one I got, that small problem is telling me what else is wrong with this machine. The noise is not a factor to me because I'm not always in here. I have a camera system, I have fire alarms, to go off. I got all the safety stuff I feel that I need to keep this place safe. So, no biggie. Don't get me wrong. I think Commarker is going to fix their software because the software is basic, but it does have a lot of features. And it does the job. I just hope they give us a lens that can give me at least 200 millimeters. I hope that 250 that they have work with this. Well, time will tell. I know that they have no choice but to fix and upgrade because X2 was right on their butt, probably ahead of them because their software is superior and they have good quality assurance as far as I'm concerned. Now, Commarker does have good customer service because I've got in touch with them and they got back with me quick, so I can't complain. The assembly is the only thing I can complain about. Everything else, well, the exhaust system needs some work, so I'm going to have to redesign that. I don't like the way it looks, and I don't think the performance is working well. So as you can see, I'm already starting on the designs. And speaking of designs, some of y'all ask, what should y'all make when you get your machine? Make some stuff you need. Like I made these louvers, I made that whole system there. I still feel bamboo is the best bet because my P1S worked for a doggone 3 years, still working. The only thing I had to do was adjust belts and undo some clogs. That's common. So, and my son has the P2S. He loves it better than the X1 Carbon. So, and I also had the Snapmaker U1 coming. So, you already seen demonstrations, so you know who got it. So I'm a little jealous. So I'm waiting for mine to get here. But that's all I got. I know I was a little fast, but most of this was about the Commarker Omni X. Works well. All right, guys. Bye.